It's the mini Barista. So just going to show you how to power it on. So when the screen is off like so and the lights are on, it's in standby mode. So all you do is just press and hold the screen. And then it's going to go through its little startup procedure. So once it's finished loading, you're going to get to the drinks menu. So we've programmed in a number of drinks here. So we've got 3 screens worth. So if you just swipe from your left, right, across, you'll see they'll change. Now these can all be completely customized, names can be changed, pictures can be changed. Just ask your technician about how to do that, and they can obviously all be completely customized as far as coffee, milk, chocolate, strength, weakness, etc, etc. So if we want to make a cup of coffee, so what I would first of all recommend is that we heat our cup up. So this is your hot water pipe and this is your steamer. So just to get the hot water out, just simply press that button and you get some hot water going to your cup to heat it up. So once the cup's nice and warm, obviously I've thrown the water away. So I'm going to put the cup or glass, you see in that little sort of circle bit there, and I'm going to pick a latte. Now because I've programmed some different size glasses in for the latte, small, medium, large, I can now pick which one I want. I've got quite a large glass, so and I've programmed it for this one, so I'm going to tick this one, then press OK. So at any time I can press on the screen to cancel it, but I'm pretty happy with that amount, so there we go. Ready to drink now. Now, what if you get some error messages up? So, for example, if I go back to the normal menu, you'll see this exclamation mark. So that is a warning sign that the machine needs something. So if I just click on that, it tells me the right bean hopper is empty. So this is where I put the coffee. So I can take the lid off. Now these are lockable if you like, but I haven't locked this one, so just chuck some beans in there. And now it's ready to use. The chocolate goes in this one, the left one. And now if you did want to use the manual steamer, you just go along until you find the steamer. Obviously make sure you've got a milk jug before you use that, but it's just as simple as pressing start. Then as soon as you're happy with your temperature and your frothiness of the milk, you just press it to stop. Okay. Press OK on that one. And it just does a quick purge for you, so you don't have to worry about the milk blocking the steam wand up. Now, just to show you some very basic stuff you're gonna have to do. So every now and then it will ask you to empty the drip tray or the grounds container. Now the way that's emptied, there's a button just underneath, there's 2 buttons. So one underneath here, one underneath here. So you just push those in, and then you slide the tray out. And then this comes out, so then we have our grounds container here. So this goes in the bin, and then you can pour this into the drip tray, into the sink, just pour it out the back. So once you empty it, so as you can see the grounds container is fairly big, so you can get quite a few coffees before it will ask you to empty that. So you just reinsert that and then you just slide it back in. Obviously make sure the dispenser's out of the way. Once it's clicked in, nice, and then it's just going to ask if the coffee grounds has actually been emptied or not. So it knows to reset the counter. So I'm going to press emptied and it's ready to use again.